The main competitor of Beyond Meat is now planning to go public. How can this affect Beyond Meat stock? Will it drop? Should I buy? I love Beyond Meat. Should I sell? Wait, let's talk about that. Did you know that meat farms in Europe produce more carbon emissions than all cars put together? There are two main players in the plant-based meat revolution for now: Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods. So news came out that Impossible Foods is planning to IPO in the next few months. How can this affect Beyond Meat stock? Many people, many investors, and one of the largest burger producers in the world have noticed the monster of a brand Beyond Meat is. Do you think McDonald's just made a deal with a company that makes tasty burgers? They made a deal with a disruptive brand with a huge potential. So far, Beyond Meat have been enjoying the leadership in the stock market, but now Impossible Food is coming to town. Will this crash Beyond Meat stock? The meat industry generates $1.4 trillion in revenue. So how much of this pie these new companies can take? To answer that question, we need to take a look at these two trends. Carbon emissions. Electric vehicles are in the headlines of this topic, but meat farms, new energy sources, and other sectors are also being disrupted. People and governments are finally growing awareness on carbon emissions, and we are all doing something about it. If you're not, you should. Animal rights. Different sources estimate that between 2 and 2.5% of the population is vegan or vegetarian. This population is growing and growing. Nowadays we can see vegetarian and vegan alternatives in different restaurants, also in supermarkets. Have you ever tried plant-based meat? They're so good! Impossible Foods IPO will definitely have some effect in Beyond Meat's stock price. In the short term, investors and traders will probably run to the new kid on the block. Remember the huge pie? It will slowly give room to these two huge companies as they become more and more profitable. Think of them as Coca-Cola and Pepsi. There are more soda can products, but these two make the rules of the game. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep my eye on Beyond Meat so I can buy those dips. And why not? After IPO, let's see how Impossible Food stock moves and let's get some. So if you haven't tried them yet, do it. No animals get harmed and we lower our carbon footprint. And if you haven't subscribed, do it now. See you next time.